Google search Cracku free cat mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest cat mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your all-India performance. Click on the solution to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello everyone, welcome to Cracku video series. This is an important update regarding the CAT 2022 examination. The CAT 2022 exam notification has been released. So in this video, we will discuss the important dates, exam pattern and the key things to know. CAT 2022 exam is going to be held on 27th November 2022 and it will be held over 3 slots, morning, noon and the evening sessions like in the last year. The exam registration fees is 1150 rupees for SC, ST, PWD categories, and for the other categories like general OBC, the registration fees is 2300 rupees, and also the exam is going to be held in around 150 test cities. So applicants can choose any 6 cities for the exam center. So these are the important dates of the CAT 2022 examination. So the registration is going to start on August 3rd, 2022. That is Wednesday at 10 AM. So the application forms for the CAT exam is going to be open on the official website of CAT 2022. The link for the official website is given in the description, so please check it out. And the registration ends on September 14th, 2022 at 5 PM. The admit cards will be released on October 27th, 2022. And the exam date is November 27th, 2022. That is Sunday. And the results will be declared on second week of January 2023. Coming to the most important part of CAT 2022 exam format, it is very necessary to get aware of CAT exam format. So this year the exam format remains same as the last year's CAT 2021. The duration for the test is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours with 40 minutes for each section. There will be 3 sections: verbal ability and reading comprehension, and the second section is data interpretation and logical reasoning, and the third section is quantitative ability. So during the examination, the students are not allowed to switch between the sections, and also the tutorial to understand the format of the exam will be available on the CAT official website soon. So candidates are advised to work on the tutorial available on the official website well in advance. So now let us have a look at the paper pattern of CAT 2022 exam. This is based on CAT 2021 exam format and it is expected to remain same for the CAT 2022 exam as well. So as you can see, there will be 3 sections: VARC, LRDI and Quant. There will be 24 questions for the VARC section and the sectional duration is 40 minutes. 20 questions will be given for the LRDI section and the sectional duration is 40 minutes. And finally for the Quant, there will be 22 questions and the sectional duration is 40 minutes. So overall there will be 66 questions and the time duration is 120 minutes, that is 2 hours. And finally, if you look at the eligibility criteria for taking the CAT 2022 exam, it remains same. So the students who hold a bachelor's degree from a recognized university are eligible to apply for the CAT 2022 exam, and also those who have the professional degrees such as CA, CS and ICWA can also apply for CAT 2022. Even students in the final year of the bachelor's degree are also eligible to apply for CAT 2022. So they might be required to get a professional degree from their institute at the time of admissions. So candidates should have at least 50% in their undergraduation degree and minimum 45% for the SC, ST and PWD category students. And coming to the age criteria, there is no age limit for taking the CAT exam. So anyone can take the CAT exam as long as you fill these eligibility criteria. So if you look at the reservations, as per the legal requirements, 15% of the seats are reserved for SC candidates, 7.5% are for ST candidates, 27% are for NC OBC candidates, 10% are for EWS category and 5% for PWD category. If you are belonging to these categories, please keep your EWS or caste certificates ready before the registration. Also, if there are any further updates, we will inform you immediately. So kindly like and subscribe the channel to get more information updates. You can download the CAT 2022 notification PDF by clicking on the link given in the description. So please check it out. Also, we are going to start the new batch for CAT 2022 on 1st August. It is a comprehensive course that covers the complete CAT syllabus as per the latest pattern. So please visit the link given in the description to check out the complete details of the batch and the schedule. You can also get 3 free CAT mocks on our official website, which are very helpful for the CAT preparation. And also, it is very essential to utilize the CAT previous papers for the CAT preparation. You can get them for free on our official website. The link for the CAT previous papers is given in the description. So please check it out. And finally, if you have any doubts regarding the CAT exam or MBA colleges or anything related to MBA, you can ask your doubt on our Adda portal. You just need to visit the link provided in the description and you can raise your query and post it. Then your doubt will be resolved by the experts and will notify you immediately when it's done. So thank you so much guys and all the best.